Exactly. Live for it.
I must go down to the seas again, to the lonely sea in the sky. And all I ask is a tall ship and a star to steer her by. And the wheels kick and the wind's song and the white sails shaking, and a grey mist on the sea's face and a grey dawn breaking. I must go down to the seas again, for the call of the running tide is a wild call and a clear call that may not be denied. And all I ask is a windy day, with the white clouds flying, and the flung spray, and the blown spume, and the seagulls crying. I must go down to the seas again, to the vagrant gypsy life, to the gull's way and the whale's way, where the wind's like a whetted knife. And all I ask is a merry yarn from a laughing fellow rover, and quiet sleep and a sweet dream when the long trick's over.
In the name of, and by the power of, the Holy Spirit, may we invoke your intercession for the children of England, some of whom have seen murder so obscene, some of whom have been taken. Let not another child be slain. Let not another search be made in vain. Jah forgive us for forgetting. Jah help us, we need more loving. You see, the teachers are representing you so badly that not many can see you. Let not another child be slain. Let not another child be slain.
And all I ask is a merry yarn from a laughing fellow rover, and quiet sleep and a sweet dream when the long trick's over.